Hey guys, I'm in betway now. Let's see if we can grab something by 180, but grand is 2000 with 180. Let me check. Okay, 4 rand is gonna be too much. 160 is gonna be too much. I will go with 180, guys. It's too hot today, guys. It's very hot where I am. So but let's try and see if we can grab something in this game. I never played this game in betway, guys. I never played it before in betway. Okay, let's see if we can grab something. We started with we are on 7. We started with 100. It was playing, but we're not really getting winning here. We are on 50 something already. Wow, this must be a big win, guys. It's a big win indeed in betway. As you have seen it, we started in betway. I'm loving this game so far, guys. I want to see if I can get 35,000 like the other guy who said you got 35 with 1 rand 44. I want to see if it's possible. Okay. Oh, okay. He's doing a fast spin. I didn't see that. Guys, it's very hot. Can we get those loves? A lot of them. Or the disc. Okay, we have still having 50 something. We haven't gotten the bonus in that way. We haven't gotten any bonus, guys. We want this money today. We want this money, guys. What's going on? Let me try to spin it myself. This is a big win again. It's 21 rand. Okay, it's not that much, but we'll take it. Okay, finally we got the first bonus and we were left with 30 rand. Imagine. Let's hope this bonus will do the work. Grand. Oh, how much is that? 360. We just need a grand, guys. Grand. 2000. And we didn't make it. We just won 14 rand. It's a big win again, maybe 20 rand again, 21 rand as usual. We know it. Alright guys, I played a disco beats in betway. I didn't win, but I think Disco Beats is very good at Lotto Star according to the way I see them when I'm playing. So guys, I will catch you guys in the next video.